Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with a haul video. And this is over the course of probably 2 months. But with Joann's, it's probably been within the last month and also yesterday. But anyways, let me start out with Dollar Tree. I had seen Lady Cree do a card video, and I thought I had this paper and I didn't. So I was looking for it and I finally found it because I want to case those cards that she made, and then she cased them from, oh, I forgot her name. But anyway, she cased them from somebody else, but I'm casing them from Lady Cree. Kim Possible, that's who she cased from. And I'm casing hers that she made from Kim Possible. So hopefully I'll be doing that soon. But I got that. Then from Spellbinders, they had a sale, and so I thought I would get in on it, and so I bought some of these little self-adhesive embellishments. So I got those blue, these little turquoise or teal ones, and then picked up the magic die. Thought that would go good with a Mickey theme. Home Sweet Home. So got that. Some of these were $1, and then $5 was the most I spent. And then got the Christmas in December. I didn't realize these were so big, but yeah, I got those. And I picked up some hemp. I was a little disappointed because I thought this was going to be like white, but it's more like an ivory white. But that's what I picked up. Picked up this. I want to say this was $1, and this is by Simon Hurley, and I picked up these party balloons, and I just happened to see a video that he had done using these, so we'll see if we'll reiterate what he did. And then I picked up this Summertime Vacay. I thought this was really cute and definitely worth the $5 that I spent. And then I also picked up this one as well, and this was definitely worth the $5 too, and this is called Picture Perfect Autumn. And that's coming off a little bit, but yeah, I thought those were definitely good buys. And then from Stamp Market, not that I needed any more enamel dots, but I love enamel dots, and I am finished now. I shouldn't need no more, but I had seen these over at Stamp Market and had been wanting to get them, and I finally did. So I got this one, that, they had a lot, and I picked them all up. They were like $2 or something like that, $2. No, they were $1.25. That's what they were. And so I thought that was definitely worth the buy, and I'll be using those today. Then from Jaded Blossom, I seen these bees that Leanne created, and I'm like, oh my goodness, those are the cutest little things. And so I bought the bee faces and the dies. And they came separate in the pack, just like thrown in there in this pack, but I put them on a magnet sheet, and then I just put the pack in the back. But those are too cute put together, so I had to pick up those. Then from My Creative Time, I went shopping over there as well. There was a few things that I didn't have. Some of the items I seen were on Meekaboo's channel, and she had done a haul, and I was just like, wasn't gonna get the planner set, but I ended up getting it because she showed it on her channel. I'm like, let me just go back over there and get those. But anyways, so I got this springtime paper. Love this, and it's just the cutest paper ever, and it's now it's gone out of stock, so it's gone forever. But I love that paper, so I had to pick up at least one more of those. Then I also picked up these extra epoxy stickers from My Creative Time, Mr. Coffee Bean ones. Love those. Happy Easter. Thanks a whole bunch. Actually, I don't even know what the name of this. Oh, this is called Sweet on You. But I love those, and they go with the donut, and I did get that as well. Love this one too. This one was called, I don't know. I don't see it. But anyway, some of these may still be in her retirement section. I'm not sure because, yeah, haven't been over there. But anyways, love that. This is the popcorn one. It's called Another Date Night. I think this might be gone. This is still there, I believe, and this was a good buy. And now some of the things have gone down since I purchased them. So you could go over and try and pick up some of these yourself. You can use my code MOE for 10% off your total purchase or 15% off on release weekends. This one's called the Stitch Favor Box Die, and I think this is still in her store. Cheaper than what I got it. I think these are gone now, but this is the 4x4 fancy card dies, and I love this. I don't know why I didn't pick up this sooner, but glad I got it at the discounted price. And this is the present box. Pick that up. And then the tall floating etch dice. And then there goes that donut. It's a 3-inch donut, and it fits perfectly on her what is it called? That bunch of fun circles. So, anyways, I had been wanting that for a while. So, and then this is that plant die set that I seen over on Mika Boo's channel, and pick that up. Now, this you won't find in the retirement section, but it is retired, so you could still pick this up. You just have to go through the pages and find this. But yeah, pick that up. And I think this is still in her store too. And then last but not least, from Joann's, and I just picked up this yesterday. And I thought our Joann's, both Joann's was closed, but there was still one that was open. So, and then I found out that there's another one that's not too far from me, and we'll be going there today to visit Joann's. The other one a little later today. But anyways, pick these up. I want to say these were $3 and something. So we got peppermint, I think that's frosted juniper and tree lot. So those are the micro sprays that I purchased. And this Memento Luxe Tuxedo Black ink. So pick that up. I think this was like $2. And this was the best buy ever, I thought anyways. I thought the colors were really cute. So we have glitter. It's like a gunmetal glitter maybe. And then we have matte metal. Then we have matte metal, brushed metal. I don't know if you can see those colors good. And mirror and pearl metal. But these are so cute, and I bought 6 of those, and they were like $2.40. So thought that was a good buy. And then also about a month ago, I picked up a Cricut maker, and that was a good buy too. They had it on sale for $175 or something like that, and then when I took it up front, it was also an additional 20% off. So I got it for like $150. So, but that's all of the machines I'm buying. The only reason why I bought another Cricut is because I have the very first Cricut that they came out with, the die cutting one, online, and I said I don't want them to get rid of that one, and I don't have a backup. So that's the only reason why I bought that one. But that is about it. All right, that's all I have for you. Thanks so much. You all have a blessed and crafty day.